In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Emo Voice Club. If you want to disable the Voice Club feature in the IMO app, the process is very simple and only takes a moment. I'll walk you through it slowly and clearly so you can follow along without missing anything. First, open the IMO app on your phone. Make sure the app is fully loaded so you can access all of the menu options properly. If you're on the main screen, you're ready to move to the next part. Now, tap your profile picture. This will usually take you to your account or personal settings area where you can manage different features connected to your IMO account. If you don't see it right away, just look near the top section of the screen since profile access is often placed there. Once you're inside your profile area, tap Settings. This is where IMO keeps most of the app controls and customization options. Opening settings is important because the Voice Club option is typically located inside this section rather than on the main screen. After that, look for either Functions or Voice Club. The exact label can vary depending on the version of the app you're using, so don't worry if your screen looks slightly different. Just check the available options carefully until you find the section related to Voice Club. When you enter that area, find Voice Club. This is the feature you want to remove or disable. Take a moment to confirm that you're in the correct menu before making any changes, especially if there are several similar-looking options listed on the screen. Next, turn off the Voice Club switch. This is the key step in the process. Once the switch is turned off, the feature should no longer remain active on your account. In most cases, the switch will change color or move position to show that it has been disabled. If a confirmation message appears, tap Confirm. Some versions of the app ask for one final approval before applying the change. This helps prevent accidental disabling, so just confirm your choice to complete the process. And that's it. You have successfully removed IMO Voice Club. If the change does not appear immediately, try closing and reopening the app to refresh the settings. It's also a good idea to double-check the same menu afterward to make sure the switch remains off. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly and easily disable Emo Voice Club.